Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Today I will show you how to calculate t-test in Microsoft Excel. Let's begin. Okay, first open Microsoft Excel sheet. Then put your data. For example, I put data with condition A and condition B with participant. You can add data with want related to t-test. Okay, after adding new data, calculate t-test. Sometime called paired t-test. The way to do so, first of all select a clear cell. So here, I have got 6 highlighted, then type equals, then write t-test, then open brackets. Let's select the mean from the first condition. So, now, click and drag all these. Now I select comma, and we will see that we have moved that on Now Excel. Now I highlight the second condition. Again drag all these. Now hit comma. So in my case, one-tailed test. So I just click 1, hit comma again. My design is repeated measure design. Each participant took part in both conditions. So, this would be type 1, and now close bracket and hit enter button. Now Excel has computed the value of 0.01690. This is your probability. So, this is your p-value. So this condition is significance, cause of less than 0.5. Now, we will have to go at the other ones. So, again type equals, write t-test, open bracket, select condition 1, and drag again condition 2. Write 1 then comma, then write 2. Let's do a one-tailed test again, and now do a independent t-test. Okay, now close bracket, hit enter, and we have a p-value, 0.00477. So, it is highly significant also. Thank you for watching. I hope you can easily understand how to calculate t-test, or one-tailed test in Microsoft Excel. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative video.